Welcome to programminginparadise.com. I hope you're doing well and wanted to thank you for checking out our brand new course on Creston programming. Inside of this course, we'll be learning how to program in simple windows, build a user interface in VTPro-e, and how to build a simple DSP project in our Serirs Forte. In this quick demo video, I wanted to showcase what we'll be building out through Creston programming. I'm using a 3 Series CP3N, an 8x8 DM switch, a TSW 1060 touch panel, a PoE Ethernet switch, a Serirs Forte AVB CI, and a Cisco SX80. I bought my entire lab on eBay and all of my equipment works great. The programminginparadise.com project starts with our home screen. We can customize our background image, our logo image, text, and date and time. Pressing on the touch screen starts our program. We can control the touch panel load time. We are presented with our logo as the project loads. We are now presented with our home page. Audio video sources are located on the left. Our display or displays or our destinations are located in the middle. And our function buttons, routing, Blu-ray, cable box, and our video teleconferencing are located across the top. These buttons will take us to the control pages of our sources. Along the bottom, we have our audio controls, volume and mute. We have technical tools to control our video sources, displays, and the ability to change the names on our touch panel. We also have a blackout mode that unroutes all of our sources. These are the features that we'll be programming. Click on subscribe so you don't miss any of programminginparadise.com's lessons. Click on lesson 1 when you're ready.